What's up, motherfuckers? I am so sorry for that, YouTube. But a lot of people was dissing me at school, saying, hey, you suck on YouTube. You need to quit you suck. You need to end your life. You just quit your YouTube career, delete them. I can delete them for you, you stupid. Yeah. So, to all my fans out there that really do care about me and support me through all this, thank you, y'all. But you know what? Forget those people. We're going to put them aside, and we're going to destroy a fidget spinner because they are fucking... Why? They are... What is it? Out of stock! Wait, not out of stock. Retarded! Did it seriously break by that little throw? I'm wearing my sockies. Get off me, damn gnats. So far, damn middle pop. Dope. I could pop that in real fast. It's easy as that. Oh wait, is it like broken? Can it spin still? Oh yeah, but that's pretty crappy. I stopped myself, YouTube. And I better not get demonetized for destroying stuff because Plain Rock 124 does it. Why ain't he demonetized? I'm gonna start having this. I'm gonna start like giving y'all. I'm gonna shout out my number, like my phone number. That way a lot of my fans can like call me. That like need like questions to ask on my videos, like that need questions. Like, hey, how are you getting all this stuff to destroy? How much would you want for this or whatever this or whatever? Oh yeah. Fucking, I missed. I am so sorry. YouTube, you're gonna have to get a little used to me every now and then dropping the F-bomb. Sorry. But, dang. Yeah, I'm a good citizen. I ain't gonna do nothing bad. Just gonna be, ooh, this is garbage. I can't drop the F-bomb anymore, but who remembers this from Frozen Fidget Spinners? F-spinners. We're just... I literally just got off the damn bus. Ooh, bus! Run over, Fidget. Run over, Fidget. Go, run over, Fidget. Little Bozak! I hate spinners.